Hello, my friend. Welcome to XChangeBit Trading Platform live stream. My name is Alice. Glad to have you all here today. Now, before the asset analysis, let me introduce our sponsor today, XChangeBit. XChangeBit is a 0% commission CFD trading platform and the best forex broker for MetaTrader. It is popular in more than 170 countries and offers 150 plus assets, including the crypto, forex, commodities, indices, and stocks. And here are the honors we have got during 2022, like the best Europe and Asia forex trading platforms and the most transparent broker, and so on. All right, you could check them all in our official website. Okay, now let's check this declaration. Okay. Just to let you know, the chart is changing. Sometimes risk is unpredictable. So what I said today is just my personal opinion. It doesn't trading advice. So you may still need to mind the risk yourself. All right. Now let's jump into our topic today. So the topic for today is MA, right? How could we trade with MA with a red lens setting? So to get to know more about MA and the examples USDJPY and BTCUSD, we better to get to know the definition first. So a moving average is a technical indicator which is calculated by adding up all the data points during the specific period and dividing the same by the number of time periods. Oh, so this is like the definition. It is used to determine the direction of the trend and reduce the impact of unexpected price spikes. Okay, so and now how could we use the moving average? Now, moving average are usually calculated to in identify the trend direction of a stock or like forex or crypto, or to determine its support and resistance levels. So there are two functions. First of all, we could see the direction of a trend. So if like the MA is like a trend, it is like moving up, so it is a uptrend. But if like the MA is moving down, so it will be a downtrend. Okay, and when the price reached to the MA will actually give a support to the price. So it also got a function of support or resistance. If the price is like above the MA, then the MA gives a support to the price. But if like the price is below the MA, then the MA will give a resistance to the price. All right. So after the definition, we know that the price is like collecting a specific period. But how could we call what is the specific period? It's 20. It's like 20 days MA or 5 days MA or 10 days MA. How could we know which one is actually better? Since like different chart actually I mean the chart is every chart is unique and different period they actually needs different lens setting for the MA in different chart. So in this case we could make a comparison. Actually here are two charts. One is like both are USDJPY, right? It's all daily chart. But in this chart, we use the 10 days EMA. So we could say the 10 days EMA actually can Actually, now the price just downward break the 10-day EMA, so it is workable. So can I short it? But if like you make a comparison to the recent period, you would notice that actually there are several false breakout. So every time the price may downward break the 10 days EMA, the 10 days MA, but it it got too many false breakout. So I can't really believe it, right? But if like you compare to the 14 days MA, then we could notice that every time the price reached to 14 days MA, the price got supported. Uh, but here, once the price downward break the 14 days EMA, the price actually got a lower pullback, right? So if like we trade this area, we sell it here and we take profit here, so we could still make money, right? But if like it's like the force breakout, we sell it here, but the second day the price just continue to go up. Then in this case, we may probably will lose money. So in this case, we could say the 14 days MA actually is more suitable for USDJPY at this period, right? So we will make we could see the actually the result from the from the chart. And but how could we how could we change the different set the last set of MA? Now let me show you. So first of all, you go to the MetaTrader MT4 exchange speed, and you click insert, okay, and indicators, and click moving average. So you get this window, and you get this page. And in this page, we could see actually the period is actually the length setting for you. You could now we see we actually have chosen the 14 days, right? If like we change it to 10 days, okay, and I choose the yellow, and I can choose the different lines or whatever I like, right? I choose this one, and okay. Now we see I actually have 10 days, but it's like a little bit different because I choose the two. I cannot read which one is actually 10 days, which one is 14 days. Okay, I'll choose the now I just choose the 14 days, and I change another color. I change it to red. Okay. All right. So we could say that the red color line is the 14 days MA, and the yellow color line is 10 days MA. Okay. So this is how we change the length setting of the MA. How could we do it? Click insert and indicator and moving average. All right. And how how can we find the right MA length setting? So here is the way I choose. This is the method I actually have used a lot, but I cannot guarantee 100% you will win money if you use this method. All right. So it's just like help you to improve your win rate. So we could check, first of all, you choose a recent period which moves similar. And secondly, you considered how how long this asset will be should to trade to hold. For example, you may want to like a long-term trading or short-term trading or day trading or medium-term trading, right? Swing trading. I don't know, but you may need to check the chart, and you know what kind of trade maybe this asset is good is suitable for, right? And thirdly, you may need to try different lens settings and check the result. Then how could I know what kind of lens setting I may need to try? Because it's like there are tons of numbers for MA, right? So here is like one of the basic concept for the short term, medium term, and long term. So for short term, it's like this MA is like less than 20 days MA. Okay, for medium term, it's like uh, over than 20 days MA, but less than 100 days MA. But if like we want to trade long, for long term, then we may need to use over 100 days MA. Okay. All right. This is what we how to find the right MA lens setting. So let's go back to the USDJPY. We could say if like for if like now I will, if like now, I actually choose the 10 days MA, right? The 10 days MA, then I will say it is always being broken, it always being breakout, but got too many false breakouts. So I think then we could say actually we may need some MA which is bigger. So in this moment, we could change it. We click then we click the MA properties and change it to 14. Okay, and then make sure. Okay, then we could say this one is better, much better, right? Then if you think 14 is maybe you cannot figure out 14, then you could try like 11 or 12 or 13 and 14, and then you try them one by one, and then you may can figure out which one is better. Then you could say, okay, this way is help you to find out which lens uh, EMA with lens MA actually is better for you to trade to believe, right? So this is like the how could we find the right lens setting of EMA, and to actually better manage those indicators, it's better to learn the technical analysis basic knowledges so you could know how those indicators are made of. And this abstract speed ebook explained those basic informations in detail, like the support, resistance, and chart patterns and what is trend. How could we know that? How could we believe this breakout is true or false? Then it actually explained very detailed. Okay, so you can get this ebook for free. Only need you to open an Exchange Speed MT4 account, or you can just contact our customer service with Telegram or WhatsApp. All right. Okay. Then how could you know the our Telegram and WhatsApp? I have all the link. I put all the links in the description. Okay, so you can check them out. All right, so this is like we actually have got the official website and the TG group, which is Telegram group. We actually offered forex analysis and trading strategies and ebooks there. So check them out, okay? But if like you don't have Telegram, and then you want to contact with us, then you can check our WhatsApp, okay? So this is like the links we have, and next we are going to take more detail on USDJPY. So this is like the daily chart of USDJPY. So first of all, the price is in the uptrend, right? The actually the 14 days moving average is moving up. So this is overall bullish. And secondly, the price actually is not higher highs and lower highs. So we could say the price is actually in a distribution zone. Now in this case, the price downward break the 14 days MA. I'm not sure because it is not broken yet, right? And here's another point. It's like because today is not ended yet. If like the breakout, we may need a close price to break out date. Okay, so like here, the price actually this day is like below the body actually is cross over the MA, but we could pay attention. This is like the open price. The close price is here, right? So the close price is above the 14 days MA, so it is still we can't call it downward breakout the 14 days MA, okay? So all breakout, we usually will call them for close price to breakout, okay? Not a low price, not high price, not open price, only close price, okay? So this is the price is actually in a distribution zone, and so next, if like the price downward break the support the 14 days MA, then the price may actually will show bullish or bearish engulfing pattern, right? For then in this case, then the price may get more pullback if like the price downward break the distribution zone, and if like it upward break the distribution zone, then it actually the pullback is ended. The price will go up again. So in this case, we want to check it in 4-hour chart. So this is like the 4-hour chart. We could say the price is actually moving in a symmetrical triangle, right? This is a this is a down trend line, and this is the up trend line. So we could say the price is moving between the down trend line and up trend line. Um, so in this case, we could say the price is actually is struggling. So it haven't make a decision which direction it will go. So in this case, we better to wait, because if like you trade now, it is quite near to the resistance. So if like the price later be rejected by the resistance, then maybe it's not worth it to take that risk, right? But if like the price is, but if you want to short now, but if then the price maybe later upward break the price because it's actually moving up. So in this case, then you may lose money too. So what I mean is like usually my opinion would be like I'll wait till the price choose a direction. If like upward break the downtrend line, then it may can reach to the to the resistance level here. Then we may can long trade it for this area. But if like the price be rejected, we get a big completed bearish candle here, then the price may drop to the support area like here. Then we could sell it and take the profit here. So it's like we will need to know the direction, then we trade it. That will be safer maybe, but still can't 100%. Okay, I can't manage to 100% the just to make a higher win rate. Okay, so this is like a USD JPY, and next we are going to talk about the Bitcoin. So this is like the weekly chart for Bitcoin. We actually have talked about before. Last time we actually have drawn this support level too. So now the price just reached to this support level and get supported, begin to go up, right? And so we make it bigger. Okay. If like the price continue to down to pull back, then for next resistance zone, we could pay attention to here. Here is actually the previous low, right? So if like the more pullback, more bumping may follow. If like the price be continue to pull back. So if in this case we want to find the long trading entry in lower time frame. So this is like the daily chart. We see this in this daily chart, the price actually is still in a bearish market. We see this is a bearish channel, right? And be supported here, and the price it's like it's in a way to pull back, but it just reached to a support level, which is a previous high, right? So, and now for today, we see today is not ended yet, but we could see the price. Today this candle actually is seems like a doji with a very long upper shadow. That means the price above is actually got a really strong resistance, right? So we are not sure if the price can upward break or not. But if like the price be rejected and begin to go down, then we may can do a um short trade, right? But we could make sure in 4 hour chart. This is the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart we could see the price actually is like moving moving up to the resistance zone 1, and it got supported in this zone. And so, but the last candle is not ended yet. It haven't been completed. So we may need to wait till the last candle be completed. If like the price up be supported, and then we may can take for long for the next resistance zone. But if like the price downward break the resistance one, then the price may get more pullback. Then we may need to wait until it got supported another time to trade long. But it seems so. It's like now for Bitcoin, it's better for weekly chart. Is actually we could look for a buy opportunity in a lower time frame, but it seems like it just reached to a resistance level, so we'd better wait till the price upward break the resistance level or being rejected to continue to go down. If like continue to go down, it's in a bearish market, then we could sell it, we could short trade it, right? But if like the price upward break on or upward break the resistance level and upward break the downtrend line, then in that case the price may get reversal. The trend may get reversal. So in that case, we could we trade it long for more long term. That would be better. Okay. So for now, with better to know to make sure in 4 hour chart the price will be supported or to continue to go up or downward break it. Okay, this is our prediction and analysis for the Bitcoin and the USDJPY. Just like what I said, all the chart analysis today are my personal opinion, not 100%, and not a trading advice too. So please mind the risk yourself. But if you are afraid of losing money, here's a super great news for you. To celebrate extra speed is launched on MT4 platform. We especially applied for a maximum bonus event only just for you, which called Profit Guarantee Bonus Prevention Event, which means that if you lose money during the event period, Action Speed will pay all your losses back to your MT4 account. But if you gained profit, you could just take them away. Okay? Great, right? So for more details, you could refer to the PDF link, which is pinned in the message of the Telegram group, or talk to our customer service of Telegram or WhatsApp directly for more information. All right. Okay, that's all for today. If you get any questions or suggestions for the live stream, you could also send it to the comment area. I wish you could have a good trading experience on Extra Speed. See you next time. Bye.